this is the situation still going on. In 2023, in month of August, there was incident became happen. We had a great story over there with the pastor. His church was totally destroyed by the extremists because of some news came out from the same city that somebody has done blasphemy, against the Islam. So that news became viral in the region of the city I'm talking about, and we went there. We saw the situation of the people. There was many churches were under attack. Many people had to leave their houses, and many people, they left everything behind and they went away because of this situation. So in this case, we went to a church. We met a pastor. His church was totally destroyed at that time. Like 3,000 people came with a bulldozer to his church, and they vandalized the church. They destroyed the church. They destroyed everything in the church, and they burned out the church. So as a Help the Persecuted team in Pakistan, we went there. We did emergency relief, like from the lightning fund for him at the support, and we made his story, and then we were able to help them to rebuild the church. Now the church is rebuilt, and people are keep coming over there. They are praying get together, and they are so much thankful to Help the Persecuted for the great initiative for them. Now they are again able to go to the church. They are again able to do the fellowships. They are again able to make their worship session inside the church. So they are so happy that somebody has done a great job for them, and they are so much thankful, and they pray for Help the Persecuted and the people who done this with the church in the same city. So pastor is very happy, and whenever we have a meeting with him, call with him, he always pray for HTP, Help the Persecuted.